Hello lovelies, it's me, Lindsay, and today I'm doing a vlog. It's been a while since we've chatted. Oh my goodness. So I don't have you on a tripod right now, so hopefully my arm will do okay. Wait, let me go put you on a tripod. Life has been crazy for me. I've been going through some mental health struggles. Then after that, I got a sinus infection, and it's been going on for like the last 2 weeks. I'm just now getting better from it, so if I sound congested, that's why. I gotta get this hair done. It is so freaking faded. It was like lime green, yellow, pink, and orange. And now the only thing you can really see left is, I look kind of like a faded out blonde in a weird way. I don't like it. But yeah. Today I just got back from the hair store. I went to the hair store to get some hair color, shampoo, and then I bought the Moroccan oil. I think it's Moroccan oil, or is it macadamia oil? No, it's Moroccan oil shower gel. That stuff is usually sold at Sephora, but they were having a sale on it. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. And yeah, let's see. I also went to Target to pick up some medication. And Target, and I went to Starbucks earlier. And then I went to Blue Coast Burrito, so I ended up getting a coffee and lunch. So I'm just really treating myself today. I don't know, man. I felt bad lately, so I felt like I needed to. Anyway, sorry I keep looking up here at the viewfinder instead of the screen. The viewfinder is like right above. Kind of wish the viewfinder was off to the side or something so it looks like. Anyways, I'm not used to filming again. I'm just sitting here chilling with my cats. So yeah, I'm wearing some makeup. I'm wearing the Kaleidos highlight. I don't know if you can tell. Is this lighting horrible or... Yeah, I'm wearing the Kaleidos Gifted Space Age highlight. And some foundation and blush, of course. And some ColourPop Act Natural Brown Mascara. I've been liking brown mascara lately. I need some lip gloss. Ignore the huge cold sore on my lip if you can see it. My immune system has been absolute garbage. And ignore the mess in the back. My house has also been absolute garbage. What's new? I feel like every time I get on here my house is messy. But it's just hard to keep up with everything. Yeah, I've been out of work for like what feels like a freaking month now, but it's only been like a couple weeks. And yeah, I'm ready to get back to work. I feel really, really lazy. I can show you a few things I got at Dollar Tree. Is this even level? Sorry if the camera's in a weird position, but I went to Dollar Tree just to kill time, because the store I was going into wasn't open yet and Dollar Tree was right beside it. And my car is hot because it doesn't have an AC, and I just wanted to go in somewhere because, yeah, anyways, that's a long-winded story, but I got paper plates, boring, Father's Day card, don't forget about your dads. I got these candies. These are some of my favorite candies. They're called Mambas. They're kind of like Starburst. Like, they're kind of like a taffy, only they're better. They're not as hard on your teeth, and they're like really soft, and they're really flavorful. I got some chocolate animal crackers. How cute is this? This reminds me of childhood. Yeah. Chocolate animal crackers. You know, these aren't that bad for you. Kool-Aid gum, which it has cherry, tropical punch, and grape. I've tried the cherry. It's basically just like, it's not really gum that lasts that long, but it's basically just like candy. Gum that is candy. I found this and I want to see what it smells like. It says moisturizing lush orchid and almond oil. So let's pop this open. I like buying the bar soaps. I have these nails on it. I don't want to pop a nail off trying to get stuff open. They're just glue on nails, so they pop off pretty easy. I actually saw Thrifty Tiffany talking about this soap on her channel that she found, so I was surprised I found it in mine. Thrifty Tiffany is one of my favorite YouTubers. She's like the OG Dollar Tree queen. Oh yeah, this smells good. Good and very clean. And it's a pink bar. Okay, I got some. This is another boring item. Colgate Cavity Protection. We're almost out of these nails. Iridescent Fashion Nails. Okay, this I've heard is supposed to be like the pink paste or whatever it's called that is viral on TikTok. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but it doesn't have a smell. But it says multi-service, good for cleaning, no more tough stains. Let's see how this smells. This is the coconut hand sanitizer spray. Let's see if it really has a smell. Oh, that does smell good. Hand sanitizer. I got 2 of those, one for me, one for my hubby. Just did the dishes and washed some makeup brushes. Yes, there's still crap on the counters, but the counters are clean. Woohoo! So yeah, and I'm also doing laundry if you hear that. So that's what I'm doing. I got my hair done. I got my hair done. It looks so nice. Yeah, I got it done, and I got it done pink all over. This is my signature color, and I used the Deidre Jones creative color. And yeah, I got I call her my boss. She's really my co-worker who I rent the salon suite from to do it. And she did it, and she did a great job. My hair still feels really healthy. And yeah, now I'm going to wait for my husband to get home and eat some KFC. And I'm still a little sick. I came home and I slept for like 4 hours. Yeah, I know my nails are falling off. Just ignore that. I slept for like 4 hours. And yeah, I'm still sick. So if you're wondering why I sound this way that I do, if you can tell any congestion in my voice, that's why. And why I look so withered and bad. Anyways. Yep.